In today's video, I will show you how to play against bots in Battlefield 6 by hosting a custom game locally. This is perfect if you want to practice test weapons or just enjoy a relaxed match on your own. From the Battlefield 6 home screen, scroll down and select Community. Next, you need to choose Search Experiences. And once you are on the search page, change the sort option to Most Popular. This helps you quickly find the best and most reliable bot experiences created by the community. After sorting, scroll to the right and then down until you find an experience that includes bots. Select the one you want to use. If you would like to reuse it later, you will see the experience code displayed just above it. After selecting the experience, choose Host. Here you can customize things like server name, description, map settings. Once everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and select Host locally. When the match loads, bots will automatically fill both teams, bots on your side and bots on the enemy team, allowing you to play solo without other players joining. And that's it. That's how you can play against bots in Battlefield 6. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.